Introducing the 2024 Volkswagen Arteon 2.0TDI 150B Elegance in stunning gray. With only 26,758 kilometers on the clock, this beauty is practically brand new, packed with features like air conditioning, satellite navigation, and Bluetooth phone connectivity. You'll be driving in style and comfort. Safety is a top priority with ABS, parking assistance, and collision avoidance braking. Not to mention the sleek chrome package and privacy glass for added style and security. This vehicle also boasts a stop and start system, Powertrain Warranty, and self-driving capabilities. Rest assured, it has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Call us today or visit blackwatermotors.ie for more information on this amazing Volkswagen Arteon. Drive away in luxury and peace of mind.